Welcome to SerialTek. In this video, we'll walk through the unboxing and setup of our PCIe NVMe slot or add-in card interposer. As we begin, we caution all users that the SerialTek interposer is susceptible to electrostatic discharge or ESD. As such, it is required that the analyzer, interposer, SSD, and PC all be powered down during the cabling and setup process. When you unbox the interposer, you receive the add-in card interposer itself, along with its power supply and cable. Before inserting the add-in card interposer, always verify that the slot will accommodate the interposer's native physical width. Note that the interposer does ship with a flange or bracket to mount the interposer to the chassis of the PC. This can be removed when needed. Once inserted, go ahead and insert an SSD to be analyzed. With that done, we can now connect the interposer to the analyzer using SerialTek's proprietary SFF8644 based cabling. These cables may have the appearance of HD mini SAS cables, but they are not HD mini SAS. HD mini SAS cables cannot be used as they're incompatible. When we connect the analyzer to the interposer, we always connect upstream on the analyzer to upstream on the interposer, and downstream on the analyzer to downstream on the interposer. With the interposer and analyzer connected, all that remains is to connect power to the interposer. Please note that while SerialTek's interposer power supply uses an ATX style connector, the power supply is not ATX. Connecting ATX to the interposer from a motherboard, for example, will damage the interposer and void the interposer's warranty. Thank you for watching this video. For additional information on SerialTek's PCIe analyzers, please check www.serialtek.com/start.php or contact support@serialtek.com.